Very good morning, children. So, last year you studied about laws of light, okay, or laws of reflection. We call reflection. When the light falls on a plane mirror, it reflects. That's called reflection. Okay. Suppose this is a mirror, plane mirror. When the light falls here, it will reflect. This is called what? Reflection. Okay. Suppose you take one plane glass. You pass a ray of light here. It will pass here and it will pass through this like this. It will not move back because this is a plane mirror. So this is called refraction. Okay. Reflection is the falling of light ray on a surface, on a polished surface, and bouncing back is called reflection. Refraction is the falling of light ray on a plane glass, and again it is passing through the plane glass is called refraction, which will pass through one plane glass. Okay. Here I will show one example so that little change you will understand. So in reflection what happens? Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. But reflection little different. Here, by this experiment you may understand. Here there is water. In this glass again there is water, and one more thing is, this is unfilled glass. This is, what is this here? What is here? There is a air. So there is air, there is water. Okay. You know very well, light has its own speed. Light travels at a speed of 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. The speed of light, where? In vacuum or air. In vacuum or air is how much? 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Okay. Now if you just observe, this you can do in your home also. I will take this pencil. Okay. Just I will dip here. Dip like this. How does pencil look? Is it looking straight? Is the pencil looking straight? See here. From top if you see, down it is different only. It is looking bent like this. Bent, you see here. It is looking bent here. But why it is looking bent? So I will show an experiment here. There is an okay. Light ray here there is water. Okay. Here there is normal. So when the light falls, or when you keep a pencil here, it is straight here. But when you see here, that pencil looks as if it is bent. As if it is bent this side or that side. Why? This is called optical illusion. You feel the pencil is broken or the pencil is bent. But the reason is actually the pencil is straight only. The pencil is straight. But your vision will mislead. It will lead to mislead of the vision. What happens here? Actually the initial position is X only. But actually if it is straight, it will be where? Here. But you feel as if it is in place of X. So this will indicate there is air is called optically denser medium and optically rarer medium. What is denser rare? When it is rarer means the speed of light is more than the speed of denser medium. Optically we use because it is a study of light and its behavior. That's why we use a word called optical nature of light. Okay. So we use this word. And here, water, see, light when it is in vacuum it has its own speed. And in water it is 2.25 meter per second. The speed of light is 2.25 meter per second. Okay. And in one more, the speed of light which travels in glass is 1.3 into 10 2.25 into 10 2.5 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. So 2.5 so 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. So these are called refractive index. By this we can know if the density of if the optically rarer, air is optically rarer because from one medium to other medium the light rays bend. This is a normal, actually this is normal. Okay. If the light is 3.8 it comes states, and if it is in water medium it bends towards the normal. If it is in glass medium it moves away from the normal. Okay, so in this way we have different optical densities. It's 2.25. I told 2.25 and 1.8 into 10 meter per second. Okay. So now what we can see here, if we say light is optically rarer than water. Light is optically rarer than water. Or water is optically rarer than glass. Water is optically rarer than glass. Or light is optically rarer than glass. Okay. Now we will try to understand. Again, there are laws of refraction also. What is it? Laws of refraction. Laws of refraction is different because the same way, there may be little change. Okay. Laws of light bend in this. Actually, the one which takes least time, the main quality of the light passing from one medium to other medium is which takes least time. Means the light has different speed in different medium. Okay. So few examples of refraction I can give. One more is, you take, suppose tumbler of water is there, which is filled with glass. Size of the fruit, it looks bigger as if it cannot go inside and become bigger in size. Suppose you take an apple, put in the container which is made up of glass. First the size is this much only. Maybe this size. Okay. Maybe this size. But if you see in that what? It looks little bigger because of refraction. Means light passes from one medium to other medium. Okay. And even you take water, swimming pool. Swimming pool also. If you see the swimming pool, you feel as if it is very deep. Because of refraction. Because of light passes from one medium to other medium. Due to that, you feel as if it is a shallow. And you take fish also. You think fish will be very little upper part so that I can hold the fish in the pond or lake. But actually the fish is at the little deeper part, or sometimes because of that nature of light, refraction of light. So there are many examples. Even if you take a coin and put in a bowl of water, you you see as if the coin is little upper part, but actually it is wherever it is there, it is already. But as I showed the example x and y, you feel as if the coin has little up, come little up, but it is in the same position. So these are the examples for refraction. So what are the laws of refraction? What does the law says? The same. The incident ray the reflected ray and the normal all lie on the where same plane at P. At P. P means what? Point of incidence. Point of incidence. This is one. What does second law state? Little change. The angle of incidence may be equal or may not be equal, because the angle of phi will be equal or will not be equal because of we are using the medium, different mediums, different value are there. Due to that, the angle of incidence is not equal to angle of reflection in case of different medium, and if it is same medium also, because in same medium there is no change. Suppose what happens, I will give one picture here. You take a glass, okay, or one more, you take a glass here. This is medium what? Air, okay. Here there is a glass, here there is air, okay. Here what happens? I told if the air, no, air, this is rarer medium, optically rarer. So angle of incidence will be like this, okay. But angle of reflection will be lesser. Means the angle of reflection or refraction. Sorry. The angle of refraction will move towards the normal, and again when it is moving out of this glass medium, again this comes to the same size, like this becomes a parallel. What? Parallel. Means, so again here angle of phi is equal, will be equal to angle of where? R, this side, R. Okay. So different medium will be there. Due to a different medium, the angle of phi will be not equal to angle of refraction. Okay. These are laws of refraction. You take glass. Instead of this, you take here first. You take glass. Okay. So light ray you start passing from glass only. So from glass, where it comes? It comes to air. Again it comes to glass. So this is a reversibility of refraction take place, but little change, because glass has lesser what value or speed than light. Means the speed of light is very less compared to speed of air. So due to that, again the light passes from glass medium. In this air medium, the angle of phi is more. Sorry, angle of refraction is more. In this way, there are some changes in the angle of reflection and another of refraction. So these are the important things which you are learning in refraction and reflection. Okay, then what is actually mirage? Mirage. What is mirage? Do you know mirage? I'll give one nice example. Okay. I think you have travelled in summer. In summer when you are walking on a road, or on a highway. Okay, you see something is burning there, like something is burning, or something is joining there, something is burning very hot, like some waves like you see. So that when you go near, nothing is there, it is normal only. So that illusion, that feeling is called what? Mirage. This is common especially in summers, and wherever there is heat, it is common mirage. Okay, so these mirages are commonly found in summers, and deserts also they are found. Mirage. Okay, I told, suppose you are traveling on the road, suddenly if you see, especially in the summers, what happens there, you feel something, there is water is flowing there, water is there, but you go near, there is nothing. But why this happens? Why the mirage is formed there? Why? What is the reason for that? Actually, what happens there? The surface of heat, the surface of the earth gets heated. Because in high temperature, when it gets heated, the air particles, the heat reaches to the air particles and makes the air particles to move, fluctuate. So temperature will be differing in different areas during the summers or wherever there is hot sun. So due to that, we feel that due to change of temperature, we feel very hot, and especially it happens in summers only. Okay, so in this way, mirage will actually, it is optical illusion where it makes us to feel like that. Okay, even Earth's surface, when it gets heated, it will release temperature from the lower part of the earth, and which makes the air waves go hot, and that does not allow to what become cold. It is very hot, and due to that we feel very warmer in nature. Okay, so this happens due to densities, like it makes due to the temperature difference, and due to the convection currents. What is convection current? Heat passes from everywhere, transfer from one place to other. Due to that convection current, the heat increases, and due to that increase in temperature, the normal temperature becomes high, and due to the feel, the mirages are formed in the summers. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.